enjoy natin. Ayan. Baka po may mga request pa sila, ha? Do that to me one more time. Was this never enough with a man like you? Oh, do that to me one more time. I can never get enough of a man like you. Oh, kiss me like you just did. So much naman po sa palakpak na yan. I'd like to welcome yung ating mga bagong dating. Welcome po here at City State Tower. Thank you so much sa pag-celebrate ng iyong nitong Valentine's Day with your loved ones. Kapag po once again pag may request kung gusto maki-join ng kanta yan, feel free lang po. So as of now, enjoy lang po natin itong dinner na sineserve sa atin. Yan. And kung gusto niyo po mag-picture with this setup, yan. Feel free lang po. Sa ngayon, magpakabusog lang muna sila. And enjoy this night. Yan. Siguro ngayon ang color ng mga puso ninyo ay pulang-pula. just not enough can explain. It all happens too fast. What exactly am I feeling right now? If this love I got to know somehow, just so long this madness will last. 'Cause I think I'm in love. I think I'm in love. Think I'm in love with you. Every single day, every single night, every single moment of my life, I wanna spend them all with you. I think I'm in love. Think I'm in love. Think I'm in love with you. Tell me that you care, tell me please, tell me that you're so feel the way that I do. I think I'm in love, think I'm in love, think I'm in love with you. Tell me that you care, tell me please, tell me that you're so feel the way that I do. I think I'm in love, think I'm in love, think I'm in love with you. Tell me that you care, tell me please, tell me that you also feel the way that I do. I think I'm in love, and I think I'm in love. Yan. Ay, thank you so much. Nakakatuwa naman ang mga palakpak eh. Kung kayo ano dyan, masaya-masaya ang puso, dito naman nakakataba ng puso ko. No? Huwag lang ako atakin dito ha. Ayan. Oh, but later on, pwede kayo mag-picture. Yan ang mga ano natin dito. Special na pwede nating magawa. And of course, baka meron kayo dyan mga talents sa inyong ano. Yan, pwedeng makikanta. Free lang po. Ayan. I never believed in love. I was deceived by love. I never had much love with lovers before, and I couldn't compete and see just part of this dream to be Thank you. Masyado. Yan, Sunday na talaga. Naabot ng malapit. Alright. Yan, wala pa pong request, no? Sige, tuloy-tuloy na natin. This time, a regional song by Jose Marichan and revived by Julius. Saan nag-sign ito? Ayan. Upo na lang tayo para sa we're all just living as it should, doing what we can do in a lifetime. We are born to one adventure to take, more than one dream to make in a lifetime. As for me, there's only one dream, and that's to love you, but love with a love to last a lifetime. We're fools, we sometimes do crazy things, and our hearts will take wings like a sparrow. What is life? We take each day as it comes, never leaving the comes for tomorrow. As for me, all of my days, I will spend them all with you, loving you with love to last a lifetime. If we all believe something lasting behind to be remembered mine, just a song for me, and then at least I would have tried. I agree, it's not so much what we have, it's we lose what we have in a lifetime. 30 years is what 102 is only what we can do in a lifetime. All my love I will give for as long as I may live, with a love to last a lifetime. Love to last a lifetime. Thank you. This one my favorite. Thank you so much. Yan, nakakatawa naman ang kanilang mga pala. Wala pa silang favorite song no, mga team song nyo dyan. Wala pa. Ano sila mga later. Pag busog na sila yan, makakaisip na sila ng kanilang team song. Yan. Good evening, mother. Ang ganda-ganda naman ng mother sa kanyang yan, dress na pula. Nakakatawa naman. Pag ganito, ako po kinuha ko lang to dun sa table natin. Yan. Thank you so much. Another song. Ayan, ito sa mga mahal natin na siya dito sa mahulog sa atin sa buhay natin para sa inyo ito. A song by Donna Cruz. pag-ibig, ligaya kang walang hanggan. Ako'y sa'yo, ika'y para sa'kin. Thank you. Ay, nakakatawa naman ang mga palakpak na yan. I love song. Ganyan natin to. Next song po ay song by TJ Montero. Nakakaalam ng lahat to. Yan, alam na alam ang palagi. Maraming yung favorite na sila. It's a female version of mine. Palagi. Hindi man araw-araw na nagkakita. Marami may team song nito eh. Ilang beses na rin tayong may hindi. Di na makilang ang ating mga tampuhan. Away ba't di natin na namamalayan? Heto tayo, ngunit sa huli, palagi. Mamaya may kakanta na from babalik-balik sa yakap mo, hanggang sa huli, palagi. Pipiliin kong maging sa'yo, ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman mo, iyo ako palagi. Sarap naman na gano'n, no? Sa'yo lang ako palagi. Sana gano'n lang talaga. Kung balikan man ang hirap, luhat lahat, ikaw ang paborito kong desisyon na. Pag nabalikin na nangyayari ng gulo, di ko pagpapalit, hindi mo sa mundo. Heto tayo, ngunit sa huli, palagi. Pabalik pa rin sa yakap mo, hanggang sa huli, palagi. Pipiliin kong maging sa'yo, ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman mo, iyo ako. Sa pagdating ng ating pilak at ginto, diamante may abutin, ikaw pa rin aking bituin, natatangi kong dalangin hanggang sa huling sino. Sa huli, palagi. Babalik pa rin sa yakap mo, mahal sa huli, palagi. Pipiliin kong maging sa'yo, ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman mo, iyo ako. Palagi. Yun. Nakakatawa itong kanta na to, no? Kasi sa kabila ng lahat yan, kung marami man tayo mga pinagdadaanan, wala tayong ibang binabalikan kundi ang ating palagi. Yan. Doon lang tayo babalik, ha? Sabi ko, hugot! Yan. Hugot pa mo. Huwag ngayon. Special din ang ating mga puso. Thank you so much. O, diba? Nakakatawa dyan, diba? Enjoy lang natin itong napakagandang chair na ito. Sayang naman. Diba? Yan ang ating pinaka-photo booth tonight. Wala pa silang request, no? Later, I have my co-singer, Miss Asa, to render another set of songs na sigurado nang magugustuhan niyo. Mamaya may kakanta na yan para sa atin. Eto na, para masaya naman. Yan, masaya naman. Nakatawa to sila. When I feel so sad and lonely, when my life seems pale and blue, how I wish you here beside me, here to stay my whole life through. You're the only one, believe me, who can make my dreams come true. Come, my darling, and embrace me. This is what you're gonna do. Valentine, oh, kiss me in the morning. Come on, Nana, kiss me in the night. Kiss me in the daytime. Oh, kiss me all the time. Hold me, darling. Hold me real tight. Kiss me, hold me, hug me, darling. With all your might. Hey, mommy. Kiss me in the morning. Kiss me in the night. Kiss me in the daytime. Kiss me all the time. Hold me, darling. Hold me real tight. Kiss me, hold me, darling, with all your might. Sarge. When I feel so sad and lonely, when my life seems pale and blue, how I wish you here beside me, here to stay my whole life through. You're the only one, believe me, who can make my dreams come true. Come, my darling, and embrace me. This is what you're gonna do. Kiss me in the morning. Kiss me in the night. Kiss me in the daytime. Kiss me all the time. Hold me, darling. Hold me real tight. Kiss me, hug me, darling, with all your might. Kiss me in the morning. Kiss me in the night. Kiss me in the daytime. Kiss me all the time. Hold me, darling. Hold me real tight. Kiss me, hug me, darling, with all your might. Kiss me in the room, let it out. Kiss me in the night. Kiss me in the daytime. And kiss me all the time. Hold me, yun na yan. O, diba? Kiss me. Yun na, huwag niyong kakalimutan. Actually, sa mga magka-partners, huwag niyong kalimutan guys na magsabi man na good morning, ha? Good morning, mahal. And everyday yan. Minsan kasi nakakalimutan na natin yan, lalo pag sanay na tayo sa isa't isa. No? Yung mga munting paalala sa mga araw ng puso. Baka nakakalimutan na natin yan. So, wala po silang request, no? Sabi ba ito mga line-up ko dito parang pang-bigo? Hindi. Kung tayo dyan. Ayan. Another song. Ayan. Welcome po sa mga bagong dating, ha? Let's just enjoy this night. Special night. Storming the with his fingers. makiawit siya yan. Just ano lang, approach lang po ha sa ating mga kasama dito kung gusto niyo pong makiawit. And of course yan, feel free lang po na mag-picture dito sa harapan. Next song, sana po gusto niyo po ito? Ay, parang gusto niyo ito. Happy Valentine to you. Yan sa iyong family. Ito, napakabigat na word dito, I love you. I must be crazy now. Maybe I drink too much. But when I think of you, I long to feel your touch. To whisper in your ear words that I always time. Words only you would hear. If only you were mine. I wish I could go back to the very first day I saw you. Should have made my move and you looked in my eyes. 'Cause by now I know that you feel the way that I do. As you whisper these words as you lie by my side, I love you. Pwede niyo sabihin kayo ang sasya na yan. You say you love me too. These divas, they could change a life forever. And I promise you that we will always be together till the end of time. Sarap po, till the end of time. So today finally found the courage deep inside just to walk right out to your door. But the body can't move when you finally get to it, just like 1,000 times before. Then without a word he had to read his letter. When I hope these fires don't make it to your heart, he said, I love you. Please say you love me too. These divas, they could change our lives forever. And I promise you that we will always be together till the end of time. And every time I need a little love, and every night I need it again. Maybe you, all I need is somebody just to hold you. If you do, just reach out and I'll be there. Together, together forever. And I love you. Tapos biglang bubulong ka. Sabi ko pa gano'n, ano? Yan, baka naman na kasi nakakalimutan nyo na magsabi ng I love you sa inyong mga partners. Yan, so, paalala yun ni Celine Dion, ha? Kasama na ako doon. Yan, huwag nyo nakakalimutan yan. Isang bagay na importante yan para sa amin. Nasang by Moira. Yan, lungkotan natin ulit. Hi! Si Sam, hindi. Ay, my gosh. Sir, gusto mo ikaw po kumanta para sa Lady Ray. Kaya po, sir. Para naman yung request mo. Cannot be. Sige, sige. Yan, babalikan ko yan later, ha? Lady in Red. Yan, may utang na tuloy ako. Yan, palitan natin yan. Alam ko kung magandang ganyan na. Baka may maisip ka pa, sir. Babalikan natin yan. Lady in Red, she's dancing with me. Try natin. Lalo mong masama. Nobody. Just you. Salamat sa request na yan. Chris de Bird, siyang kumanta ba? Tama po. Sige, try natin. Try natin. Bakit may request na tayo? Kaya ba? Kaya ba? Kaya ba? Ang lalaki kasi, no? Never seen you looking so lavish, I did it tonight. And I never seen you so bright. Diba? Never seen so many, I see if you wanted to dance. They're looking for a life romance. Give it a half a chance. And I never did not just marry. All the highlights in your head that catch your eyes. I have been blind, little lady in red is dancing with me, cheek to cheek. There's nobody here. It's just you and me. Where I wanna be, but I hardly know. This beauty by my side, I never forget. Wow, the way you look tonight. Pang Valentine pa na to. Thank you so much, Miss Lucas, ma'am. Seen you looking so gorgeous as you did tonight. And I never seen you shine so bright. You were amazing. I never seen so many people want to be at your side. Every year turn your face smile. Took my breath away. And I've never had such feeling. Such a feeling of complete and mutual love as I did tonight, lady there is dancing with me, cheek to cheek. There's nobody here. It's just you and me. po sa request na yan. Napakagandang song, Lady Red. Happy may last song po. Susunod na po ang aking co-singer na si Astro. Basta picture lang po sila dito sa harapan ha. Feel free lang po. Sige. Ito na lang. Song by Thank you so much once again, Angela. Another set, rendered by Miss Astra. Thank you.